Hello, good afternoon. So today we'll be treating word set theory. Welcome to my page, and you can also see this particular video on YouTube. Today we'll be treating word set theory. It's created by me and Sir Gideon from FET. Thanks to him. I use this particular words PowerPoint for a particular interview, a particular time with you lesson. So let's try to simplify this particular PowerPoint on set word theory. So let's go. So I believe you can see the next page, introduction to sets. You can see from there. In mathematics, a set is a well-defined collection of objects. Sets are named and represented using a capital letter. In the set theory, the elements that a set comprises can be any kind of a thing: people, letter, alphabet, numbers, shapes, variables, etc. All these things that is being listed here are simply called the elements of what is set. So I'll try my best to simply rush this all because of the time, because we're almost 1 minute. So let me try to simplify this as fast as possible. So we now have set notations. What are set notations? Are the basic symbols used to denote the various representation across the set. So you take notes. Under a set, you must make use of what curly brackets. You don't use any brackets, anything. You must make use of what curly brackets in your set. So let me try and see if I can. So you must make use of what curly brackets in your set. That's very, very important. Take note of that. So let's move on. So this is your curly bracket here. I believe you can see this. This is simply a curly bracket here. I believe you can see that. That's your curly bracket. So we now have set operations, and the operations that are applied on two or more sets to develop a relationship between them. The four main types are what? These set notations can be union, intersection, complement, and now what difference between two sets. When you have union, that simply means you are combining two sets and there's no repetition of what any element. Take note, you are combining two sets, but no repetition. The other one is what? Intersection. That simply means what's common between two sets. And the other one is what? Complement. When you say complement simply means when you have a particular set and you're looking for what are the sets, what are the elements in the universal set that are not present in that particular set. That's simply called what? Complements. Take note of that. And the last one is what? Difference between two sets. Difference between two sets, as the name implies, simply means like subtracting two sets to give you a new set. When you subtract it, the elements that are not common between them is simply called the difference between what two sets. I believe that's clear enough. So let's now move on. What's the union of sets? Just like as I've said, the union of sets is a third set which includes all the elements of the first and second sets. Take note, but there should not be any repetition. You can see from here you have 1, 2, 3 as the element of the first set A, and then it was 2, 3, 4, 5 as the element of set B. But you must not have what is called like your union must not be any repetition. You can't repeat 2 and 3. So your union for A union B is simply equals to what? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, but there should not be any repetition. I believe that's clear enough. So let's now move on. Intersection. When you have intersection of sets, intersection of sets is a third set which includes all the elements that are both in two sets. It is, for example, you have 1, 3, 4, 5. Everyone is what? 2, 4, 6, 8. What's common between set A and set B is simply equals to what? 4. So that simply means the intersection between 1, 3, 4, and 5 and 2, 4, 6, and 8 is simply equals to what? 4. This is called the what? Intersection of what? Of sets. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please can you open to what? To like, share, and what? Follow our channel. You can also make sure you're always telling your friends, your families to always follow this particular platform, this particular YouTube channel, or this particular Facebook page, as we'll be showing and what sharing exciting content with you guys always. So let's move on. So we now have what? Complement of a set. The complement of a set, as the name implies, complement. That simply means like it is not part of the set, but it is part of the universal set. For example, the complement of a set denotes A prime. You can call it A prime or AC. So as the complement, or it's still simply called what? A complement. So it is defined as the element in a given universal set, like union, that are not present in the set A. That simply means the elements that are not present in set A but are in the universal set are simply called what? Complement. For example, you have universal set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the A is 2, 3, 4, and 5. So the complement here is what are the elements that are in the universal set that are not in set A, and that's going to give us what? 1 and 6. This is simply called what? Complement. So let me fast on this. So we now move to difference between two sets. The difference between two sets is simply the concept between numbers. It implies subtracting the elements of one set from another. So it is denoted by using the normal subtraction sign. So it's simply the normal subtraction sign. For example, you have A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, B is 2, 4. When you subtract 2, 4 from the A, like you're having A minus B. So what are the elements left in A that are no longer in B? That's simply equals to what? 1, 3, and what? And 5. I believe I enjoyed this particular video, and I'm going to explain the particular concept. If you have any question, you can always let me know in the comment section. So I'm going to be doing my best to what? Respond and explain it to your satisfaction. So let's move on. So we now have what? Exercise. So this is the exercise for you to what? Tackle out. If U, that's universal set, is equals to 1, 2, 3 to 10, and A is 1, 2, 5, and 6, and B is equals to what? 2, 4, 6, and 8, find the following: A union B, A intersect B, A complement, B complement, and what? Universal set minus B. That's universal set U minus B. I believe you can answer this question as easy as possible. You can share your answers in the comment section below. So I'll do my best to respond and tell you whether you're correct or what wrong. So let's move on. So in conclusion, thank you for listening. Thank you for following the particular page to the end, or the particular video to the end. And I will see you on the next one. Bye.